Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Evaluate the variables using Java operator precedence, where not is evaluated before and before or. B1 equals A and B or C equals true. And false equals true, and false equals false. B2 equals not A, B and C equals not true. False and false equals false. False equals false. B3. A and B, C, and true and false, and true equals true. Now check each choice. A, B1 equals B2, therefore false equals false, then true. B, B1 and B2, then false, then false. C, B1 and B3, then false and true, then false. D, B2 and B3, then false. Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.